Hi there, I'm Fulong. I'm going to teach you how to use Postman to run a SOAP API request. I'm going to show you using an example used from W3 School Online. So they're well known for a lot of HTML standards and whatnot in the industry and just teaching people how to use it. So what they've created here and made available is something called TempConvert, which is temperature converter. Allows you to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius. So I'm just going to use this endpoint to show you how this works. I'm going to use the Fahrenheit to Celsius to show you how to use this. So you can see here, I'm going to use this SOAP 1.2, and I use this payload here in my test here. So this is what you need to put into the request, basically, when it refers to the request here. And the response is what we want to get, which is going to be something here, basically. So I'm going to use this. I pre-populate already in here, so you can see that here. I changed the string that was a placeholder to 100. You notice here, this is raw, this is XML, I selected here. Header here, content type, just make sure it's text/XML. It's very important, otherwise you'll get content type errors. And then if you want to, you can also put a validator in the back of it too. So this is just really just to confirm or check data points. In this case, I'm just checking for 10 degrees Celsius as an output. So I've got 100 Fahrenheit here. I'm going to send that to this particular endpoint. So it's pretty important that you keep this endpoint here. And if I send this request there, I'll get an output. So you'll see this number down here change, and the response is slightly different from the one above. It comes out of a response tag. So if I change this to say 80 degrees, so what I'm trying to look for is that 10 degrees. So I'm wondering how to get to that 10 degrees. So if I run that, you'll see the temperature going down. But it's still saying it's not, that my test that I put in there, it's just saying that it's not working or not coming up from the conversion. So we need to change the temperatures to different ones. So if I change this to say 50, so 50 Fahrenheit, is that 10 Celsius? I think so. Let's check. All right, so I got a 10 there, and if you look here, look at that. It says it's correct. Yeah, that's anyway an optional component if you want to put the test there, but the main part here is just running the payload here to tell the endpoint what you're looking to convert, basically, or what particular function you're looking to initiate. And then so in this case, I sent 50 across, and then I got 10. And then you can view this in many different formats here to show you sort of what are some of the possible outputs. So if you need just the figure, it will just give you the figure there. But if you want to see the XML tags itself, you can see it here too. In the raw format, and this is just beautified, so it's better formatting, so you can tab there, so it's easy to read. But that's pretty much it. Just play around with this, and yeah, you'll have some fun just testing the SOAP API in Postman.